Good morning, boys and girls. Let's take a look at this word. What does this word say? Yes, the word says like. What do you know about this word? What sound does the vowel make? That's right. We hear the long I sound in the word like. The magic E sprinkles dust on the vowel to say its name. Well, today, Word Wizards, we will learn two other spelling patterns for the long I sound, spelled with IE and IGH. Our anchor words for IE and IGH are pie with IE, and IGH we have the word light. So when we see the word pie and light, it will remind us of the long I sound. Let's look at this word, ties. My father has different colored ties in his closet. In this word, the IE makes the long I sound. T, I, S, ties. Now take a look at this word, bright. The sun shines bright. In this word, the IGH makes the long I sound. Br, I, T, bright. Let's try reading some words together. All these words are spelled with the IE and the IGH making the long I sound. Night, night. At night, the moon shines brightly. Night. In the word night, we have the IGH. Night. Die, die. The plant will die if it does not get water. Die. In the word die, we have the IE, making the long I sound. This word is sigh, sigh. The bored girl let out a loud sigh. Sigh. What spelling pattern do we have? That's right. The IGH makes the I sound in the word sigh. Our next word is flies. I caught 6 flies with the fly swatter. The word flies has what spelling pattern? That's right, we have the IE making the long I sound in the word flies. Fight, fight. They are fighting over the teddy bear. Fighting. In the word fight, what letters make the long I sound? That's right, our IGH in the word fight. Now it's your turn to practice. You're going to read and sort the words with the long I sound spelled with IE and IGH. Then you're going to write sentences using some of the words. Good luck!